As the farmers' protest in India got global attention and international celebrities started talking about it by sharing a CNN article, even climate activist Greta Thunberg on February 3rd shared a toolkit on Twitter. Although she deleted the toolkit, clarifying that it was outdated, it has created quite a stir globally, even resulting the arrest of Disha Ravi, a young climate activist from Bangalore, India. Now the question is, what exactly the Greta Thunberg deleted toolkit had in it that has rattled the entire system in India? Let us go through it one by one. The deleted toolkit was nothing but a Google document titled Global Farmer Strike First Wave. The cover page of the 6-page toolkit asks the readers whether they would be a part of the largest protest of the human history to stand against the fascist regime in India and also against the unregulated corporatization of the farming sector. Now, Greta's deleted tweet also mentioned two Twitter accounts, FFF India and X Rebellion IND. FFF stands for Fridays for Future. A global strike movement started in 2018 after 15-year-old Greta demanded urgent action against climate crisis by sitting outside the Swedish parliament. Disha Ravi, who has been arrested in Bangalore, India by Delhi police, is a member of Fridays for Future India. According to Delhi police, Disha Ravi, along with Nikita Jacob and Shantanu Muluk, played an instrumental role in creating the deleted toolkit that was shared by Greta on Twitter. A sedition case along with criminal conspiracy has been registered on all three. The other account, X Rebellion IND, that is Extension Rebellion or X Rebellion, is a global environment movement in more than 75 countries. The aim of the organization is to compel the actions of the government to avoid tipping points in the environmental and ecological laws through non-violent civil disobedience. The deleted toolkit had 5 key links titled More Information Important Links. Link 1 led to a website named as Kisan Ekta that is run by a volunteer group of people in the UK, USA and Canada. These people are quite keen about the entire issue that is affecting the Indian agricultural community. Link 2 was about a sovereignworld.com with an anchor text, a protest and divest Adani Ambani. Link 3 mentioned askindiawhy.com. The site is currently unavailable. Link 4 led to trolleytimes.online. It is all about farmers at the borders. The data on this site is all in Punjabi. And the fifth and the last link took us to the list of farmer deaths at Delhi borders via Blogspot blog article. The deleted Greta toolkit talked about urgent actions, stating what to do, when to do and how to do. The toolkit in the urgent action talked about creating a Twitter storm on February 4 and 5 and mentioned about signing online petitions, approaching government representatives and divesting corporates like Adani and Ambani. The deleted Greta toolkit talked about prior actions. Prior actions talked about tweet storm on January 23rd and 26th, digital strike with hashtag AskIndiaWhy, a past Zoom meetings and protest outside various different places including Indian embassies and government offices. Resources were also shared including that of Poetic Justice Foundation. These were the major points of the deleted toolkit shared on February 3rd by Greta. If you want to read and download the entire Greta deleted toolkit, check out our article on nationalviews.com. There's a link in the description. You can click the link, read the article and also download the entire Greta deleted toolkit PDF that has been uploaded by Republic World on Scribe.